honeymoon no what the area honeymoon no NDC the area
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
honeymoon no what the area honeymoon no NDC the area a time for action. There will be a day we to metia. There will be a day taxpayers metia. There will be a day Corona ni bedane mudi mo femi wo mani agro said ye mudinti aso be tra president akonya no so a na we ofisa na wona mfom ho because ade mo wakwa ka woti mu no ka ni kwa ko babako atisei woti mo ono ko no ni obo ye boma no ni biem akwanya woni woni fam wako na ke tikrom ha I'm going to be the best system billion. And it's a secretary and a battery. We'll be to be the system billion. And it's a secretary and a battery. But many I am. No money call mine. You're too abama more than Chelsea. You're too abama nipa. We deserve better. We deserve good things. Okay. I buy a mama with better so I'm feeling 4 years a pet. You are free so. I remember about transfer 4 years a pen and you were John Dramani Mahama and there was a fire no a corner. The problem was solved because you are to Abamano and to a Ghana floor and to a back unanimously and also Jim somebody president. Unanimously and no main doso John Mahama somebody president. Unanimously and a Ghana for say John Dramani Mahama be president. Go to parliament. And peace should do Ghana for pure mukugu ho NDC mu enya yize eti abramwa ya di blame game ana Nana Add0 okwa yase a wo so sore betia ya twam jam di okwa okotukutu won etwam akufo ade ya dapafo antumi anya hwe etwam some people ya na dwen say obeka bidia e different some people for no ma dwen say wo mo ba beka bidia and you different issue together. A honor dear, and you bet you a room. I'm a who say, and feel what to me a young in Yenny.
Asema isi Emrano, Ubia Ayongo, Nipeu Niema Asay, Naba, Nahu, dear Isiwa, and Yasem Kitwa, and said coordinator kind and young Juan is here, you know, the brain, Nipa brain, I have a count, and I make us a mint in a fear. Miss Maba, and my barber who they see, and my chicken more, now my mamma shedding. Now, we did a Ghana for in a problem, into just saying in a kaboom. Na yetimi hu akwan a yebɛfa so ama saade emba biom enti nyina yebɛka bom ayɛ saadwuma Say mudi bibi to enim nipa bi omuni eduane ndi po omuni atade enhye minu bai obewo la oko hospital problems no dos meso meye ade kakra meso metimi aye aboa mo na meso my country aban say omoso embremu na omobaboa me sure say omobaba na we dey serious pa na if you say state of emergency mpo a declare state of emergency na yemfa we nyina embeye na mayen mu nyina na yemishira mo na mede nyame ebeja mu nyina mede muaso ebeba na ebema medamo ase.
This is the real definition of a good leader. Good leader, ekwati bia ne manfo tim na wakwahye omon kran na wa de obetu na ho de betumi aye na de abeboa. Mahama de wo suro se obeti atechem. Wo suro se obekwati bia manfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka. Ghana for one my sense form papa. One my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. E ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo bedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchira ye sama wo mra se who betwa 12 good years. Who to me nyehwe. Who promises and kukwan ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wodi buy omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a who promise omo se obetu ebula ama koko farmers bia who buy wa beti koko no so ewum. Won san so ntuaka we firi omo koko wodi omo ka. Wo buy wo see agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo see market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wom ye nti ase wo be sori e na we see market ne bathroom wo he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edidada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di wechi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro esa wo pad saka wide wo se pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. D0ne simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko ye no ma Dr. Bawumia e de na de kire Ghana for say ba we ni we na meya ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and it goes on and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of candy was I would to me was I mean, say, almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my account for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors, most of my account for. You see, any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che radio ndama ni ma so o mema was come to do to one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. And the Rajon the money mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now they're kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Iffiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.